So this is the pop filter, which is not the best, I'd say. It breaks a lot. But then now we've come to the final part of the thing. Oh, did you see that? That was sick, wasn't it? And now I'll go here. Oh, well that's beautiful. I lost the remote. Okay, I was going to say this LED, but I've lost the remote. So, if you want to buy this, link in the description.
So I wake up, I'm having a good old time, Saturday morning, go to the inbox and see You Thought Cross setup tour. I'm like, oh man, that's great, that's great. I was just about to record a setup tour. In fact, I already started recording and getting B-roll and stuff. It's like, this man, what is he doing? It's annoying me. I'm pissed off. I just watched the room and the guy over and over and over calling me. I was... just pisses me off so much, you know. Just, RGBs. He tries to outdo me. Outdo me? RGBs? Are you kidding, bro? RGBs? It's not 2012. Go the fuck up. So you know what? Obviously, we've got RGBs now. That's great, dude. Everyone cares. I really hope I don't have to re-record that and go through another shirt. It's a professional unboxing surface. It reduces scratches, etc. Alright, my guy. I got so many comments in the last unboxing video about cutting towards my... What is this? I got so many comments in the chair video, which has like 200,000 views or whatever now. Is it 250? I think it hit 250. I don't remember, dude. I should know that though. Anyways, I got so many comments about cutting towards myself, and I mean that was just a meme, and it was a massive box, and I mean, that's relative, but it's a bad dick joke, I'm sorry. Alright, so we got some zip ties, we got a plug, which is actually US, and no, I did not order the one that he put in the description of his video, because I saw that affiliate link, my guy. I mean, there's not a problem with that, actually. Good for you. We got our RGBs, our generic, disgusting controller that I will probably be throwing in the trash, just like you. And we got instructions, which... we're not going to need. We might need, actually. Service and warranty instructions. Thank you for choosing Tin Can. We are committed to satisfaction. I want to point out the fact that there are, okay, there you go. 2 there. Well, like something happened. Dude, this is actually pretty cool. You can put it on a spool and like unwind it. So I imagine, well, this isn't like the RGB you'd cut and stitch together. I think you have to keep this in one strip. And it does have adhesive, double-sided tape on the back. Okay, so now we just have to decide where we want it. He had his on the ceiling, but like that's for plebs. You like how smooth that was? How smooth. So I have no clue how long, and I also have no clue where I want to put it. I kind of want to go around the back of the table, but at the same time, like, it would be cool to have it over there, going all the way around my room. But there's no way to transition because all 3 of these different dressers and cabinet, like, they're all separate. They're not connected. So I just have like a random light going through midair, which, I mean, I don't know. Sounds like that. So one thing we need to know is how... So one thing we do have to keep in mind is how this is actually going to be attaching to the wall. So you can see this connects here. And then from here, where does that go in? Dude, if only this thing came with instructions. I can't believe companies are even doing this. Like, what do they think it is? 98? Like, no, we need instructions, bro. So my guess, I definitely didn't read that or anything, is that this is an IR receiver. Last time I played Wii was a long time ago, leave me alone. So the first thing we gotta do is find where we're gonna plug this in. And I'm gonna listen to some Stone Sour. Okay, so I found a pretty good spot. We can start being this into the desk. We can get power there very easily. So then we're gonna go around the back and then all the way around. And I know that time lapse was very useful, but you can see the RGBs go all the way to right there. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm too tall for this freaking tripod. Okay, so it's been a couple of days since I've installed these guys. I've just got caught up with things, worked on the go-kart. It's Labor Day, all sorts of stuff. So anyways, yeah, they were pretty good, pretty happy with them. But there are a couple of issues. One being over here, where I put them on my dresser. My bed and my dresser, because I'm American, and because in America, people do things half-ass. Well, it's made of particle board. So if you don't know what particle board is, it's basically where they cut down trees and refine wood. You get sawdust and little shrapnel of wood. Is it shrapnel? Because is shrapnel like explosive? So what particle board is they glue all the sawdust and they glue all the little shards together and it makes wood. Alright, so if we pan down here, you can see this is the area in debate. If I go ahead and turn off the light somewhere, then you can see it's not as vibrant. Like, yeah, you can't really tell. But right there it's fallen off and it's on the floor. And also, we have a big coil. That's the coil right there. I think we're gonna run it down so it goes almost all the way around the room, because that would just be dope. Here we go. And they look really bad on camera because of like the camera aperture and whatnot. But these, in real life, you can't see the little dots. They string together like a glowy fuzz, which if I show you like over there, if you look at, if it focuses on something like my Rainbow Six, oh, it's in manual. Oh, that would make sense, I remember that now. You can see down at the bottom it looks all glowy and whatnot. That's how it looks IRL. Okay, so this is as if you were walking in, no lights on, got studio, as ceiling fan. Okay, that's obvious, bro. But to be honest with you, I am so happy with this. The bed, you can see, because that's the end, right there. It was almost perfect. It went all the way around the room, and ended right there, which I'm happy with it. I am just so tired of these videos going south. Like, I can't even tell you how wrong this has gone. It took me like 3 days to install the LEDs because I ran into issues with SD cards filling up, with batteries dying, etc. And then I went to go finish the video because I already started on it in those 3 days. I was trying to be productive. I was trying to get this out over a week ago, okay? Trust me. In that week, I somehow managed to lose my dongle to attach my SD card to my PC. So, you guys are getting a double unboxing. There's my new dongle, ladies and gentlemen. So, my old dongle was kind of bad anyways, and I was probably going to replace it. So, essentially what would happen is it was a really low output rate. I don't really know how to word it. There's an actual technical term, but basically it wouldn't send data quick enough to my computer, so when I copy and paste files or I try to edit straight off my SD card, it would disconnect midway through, meaning every single file would be corrupted. So hopefully I'm not paying for the nice look, but it's got micro SD and it's got SD, which is what I need, so that's good. And I just almost stabbed myself in the groin, the inner thigh, with my knife. So I need to end this video before the camera battery dies again, because I've actually spent Way too long. Look at this disgusting lighting. Okay, it's absolutely horrible. Hit the remote. Bam! It's LEDs, baby. Remote control. Call me a baller. It looks nice, doesn't it? Alright. Gonna slay hella bitches in here, you know. Turns the girls on.